Hello everybody. Today I'm doing the enemy randomizer. I was originally going to do also the room randomizer, but it was labeled as broken, so I decided to just do this one today. So I see the mods working. Anyway, we're just gonna not go that way. I don't really exactly have a set goal in mind, honestly. I think it might just be go to outer expanse and just do that ending, because I actually haven't done that as survivor, so it would be new. And also I think just doing ascension isn't the most exciting. I guess I need to ask, do I want to go see Pebbles? I think let's go see Pebbles. You're not gonna laugh. Okay, I guess we are not going that way. Would have liked to get to industrial through the much shorter path, but I guess we were taking the long way around. Oh, the watcher enemies are here. I didn't think about that part. Also, I'm sorry for the lack of upload last week. I just didn't really find motivation to do anything, because as much fun as I have playing Rain World and other games, I tend to kind of lose motivation after times. Like, I don't really have a game that I always come back to play. And I know Rain World has a pretty extensive modding scene, so if there is any mods that I should play, I would like to know, so because I want to know what, not necessarily what's good, but also kind of what's not been covered. I don't want to step on other Rain World content creators' toes when it comes to covering modded content. So if there's like mods that are new or have been updated since like anyone has really made a video on them, I think that's what I would be looking for. I guess Survivor's campaign probably wasn't the perfect choice for this, just because there's going to be just less general spawns. So I might honestly do another enemy randomizer, especially if random rooms gets fixed at some point. I don't know how long it's been broken for. I don't know if it's a new development or if it'll be fixed soon, or if it's something where it just will never get fixed at this point, and I just have to wait for like a new person to try to take the reign or the mantle of making the randomizer mod or room randomizer mod. But until then, oh, I really don't think you're supposed to be here, my friend. Hello? Okay, I believe the mod has broke. Oh, it's you again. Huh. Can you like just hop over you? Thank you. Oh. It's another whale. Do you need help? Is that a yes? Yeah, I'm just gonna go through the middle if you don't mind. So far it feels the randomizer hasn't been too mean, but also even in the easier areas, I feel like as I approach Pebbles, it's gonna get a bit worse. But I do think I should definitely do this again on a much harder character, or at least just one with more spawns. This is like the calmest I've seen Chimney Canopy be in the, because apparently I go here every single video. Like Chimney Canopy and Industrial Complex are just apparently the two places I'm not allowed to escape. Are you okay, Strawberry Lizard? I'm gonna take that as a no. I know a randomizer only has a chance to make things harder. You know, it could just turn everything into peaks, but it's been a little too easy so far. Oh, hello, friends. Again, still nothing scary. Aww. Am I gonna be allowed to pass, my friend? Am I... Are you gonna let me through? Go, 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 before he sees me. Why have I only seen you guys? I haven't seen a single regular scavenger. I keep just seeing you guys. Oh. Crap. What am I supposed to do about you? You are covering every single path I can take. Yeah, no, I hear you. Oh, wait. A grapple, huh? I still don't see how I'm supposed to get past you here. Well, this is unfortunate. This just might be it. I don't think I can get past him, and going down is just the rain, so... Yeah, I get it. You're stuck and you're in pain. I get it. But... And trust me, I would love for you to not be stuck. I would love for you to be able to move in a way that benefited me specifically, and not you. Well, sacrifice, go. Oh. I might have... I sacrificed the grapple worm. That might have worked. Hold on. I need to make sure his sacrifice was not in vain. Go, 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 go. Get in the pipe. Go, go. Well, that was probably the hardest part of the entire playthrough so far, was just trying to figure out how to get past that guy. We honor the grapple worm for its sacrifice, and oh. Let's try something stupid. Come down here, red lizard. Come here. Come on. Come down here. Come down here. Come down here. Come on. Come on. Do it. Come on. Come down here. Come down here. Come on. Come on. Do it. Do it. Come on. Do it. Come on. Do it. Come on. Do it. Do it. Come on. Do it. Do it. Do it. Do it. Do it. You know I'm down here. Come on. Fall off the cliff. Fall off the cliff. Do it. Do it. Do it. You know you want to. You know you want to. You know you want to. Nice. Another successful red lizard kill. Hi, Pebbles. Little creature. Why do I have a feeling that you're the cause of all of this? Cause of what? All of this. Creatures I've never seen before are suddenly appearing inside of the grounds of my facility, and other creatures that I have seen before are gone without a trace. Why do I have a feeling you're somehow related to it? I'm just a slug, man. What am I supposed to do? Every time I see one of your species, something happens. I can't explain it yet, but I'm sure there's something. I mean, you're right. Wait, what? I mean, yeah, I did this, but bold of you to assume. Can you undo it? Nah. Can you tell me how you did it? No. Get out of my can. Okay, bye. Okay, so we need to go to Outer Expanse now. Let's take the farm array. Actually, I might just shelter back to Outskirts and then just go up farm arrays. What are you? What the? Whoa! What the hell is that? What the actual? What? Huh? I don't. I don't like. I don't like that. I don't like this. What it? I. Are you hostile? I don't. I don't like it. Oh, God. What is? Why does that exist? Is that the? Is that Chieftain? Oh, hi, Chieftain. Uh, Chieftain, I would recommend just running. Just personal recommendation. Just, just pick, just hide. Why is it following me? Ow. Oh. Well, something happened here. I've just, like, I've been around in the community, I feel like, long enough that I would have at least heard of this thing, of that thing. What? Is that something the mod added, or is it just, like, something that's actually in the game? I don't like this. I don't like that at all. Why are you here? Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on. Okay, there we go. Are you kidding me? Hi, Blue Lizard. Assuming you really want a bite. Oh, no. Oh, actually, you're gonna suck. Aren't you? Nope. Okay, go, run. Okay. Suddenly everything's bad here now. Oh, okay. Okay, I think I'm finally experiencing the randomizer. It only took me an hour and 45 minutes. This is not fun. Oh, hello. Oh, okay, never mind. No, I'm gonna stay over here. I don't know where the heck that thing came from, but... Why are my frames so bad right now? Oh! Oh, that's why! Okay. This can only end badly for me. Oh, why are you back? Of all things in this room, why are you here? Okay, I need to go before the train lizards get here. I just have to go. Get out of my way. 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 I hate you, but get... No. No. Go, weird thing. Go. The shelter's right there. Just go. So now the randomizer decides that I should be in pain. Oh, right. I'm not on a save file that where I completed Goramond. I have a solution. Anyway. Wow, I can't believe I made it to Outer Expanse completely legitimately. There's another way I can take, right? Pretty sure there's another route one can take. I'm sure this path will be much, much easier. Okay. So it seems this way is not a pathway that I should be taking. Actually get me anywhere? I don't... Shoot. I think the only pathway really is through the Miros burgers, huh? Which is, probably guaranteed death at that. Just guaranteed death. Okay, well... Shoot. I don't think I'm gonna get an opportunity to go through. I don't think, especially without a flashbang, it's guaranteed that I just die. Where else can I go, though? Like, these guys can't leave when the rain comes, so that doesn't help me. Okay, you know what? Here we go. We go. 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 Oh, you gotta be kidding me. Okay, never mind. I guess we're going this way then. Okay. You're a good sign that it might not be that bad. Oh. No, it's bad. No, the game broke. Well, hopefully this time this way is safer. Okay. I don't see anything scary yet. Okay, so we're gonna go back this way. Okay, we're going this way this time. Yippee. Please don't crash. 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 Please don't. Nope, 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 nope. I kind of wish the game crashed. Nope, 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 nope. Okay, I guess let's go see if I can deal with the red centipede, because I don't want to deal with train lizards. I like how the randomizer has just been so extremely peaceful. And then now it's just... Now I'm getting, I think, the real experience. Okay. We're gonna go up this way. See if this lets me get around it. No. It leads me into the second red centipede. What if I touch it? Touch. What the heck did that work out for me? Nope, go away from me. Nope, 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 nope. Hey, what awaits me this time? Why is it worse? Come on, let me up. Let me up. Please. Please. Let me up. Go. Okay, now I have to figure out how to deal with this. Hunter, please. Hunter, let me go. Well, I was complaining that it was a little easy. So I guess the game has answered my prayers. don't like whatever that screech was. Ow. 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 Stop that. Although anglerfish. Oh, this does not feel like the right way to go. Nope. Goodbye, anglerfish. Oh, you're doing the screaming. Oh, no. Okay, it's fine. He's trapped. It's fine. It's fine. Foul creature is trapped in its cage. Well, that one's not trapped in its cage. There we go. A pool and a shelter. Yippee. No, no, wait, no, I did it. Let go of me. Let go. Let me free. Let me. What? Go. Ugh. The heck was even down there? Oh. Okay, so we're going this way. Oh, you gotta be kidding me. Okay. I believe this is where I was when the game decided to die. What the? No, 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 no. No, no, no. No, 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 no. No, 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 no. I'm going this way. I no longer want to go this way. I'm assuming you didn't just magically disappear, anglerfish, right? Nope. Okay, I have a plan. Oh, you gotta be actually kidding. Here we go. Go. Go fast. Go fast. Go. Go. Okay. You can tell how many times the game has just been breaking on me because of how low my karma level keeps getting. Oh, sea bunnies. Hello, friends. Okay, I think now is my time to go. Wing, you look very dead. There's something through this. Oh. Hi, inspectors. Are you gonna really be the last thing? Is that it? Am I free? Is it time for me to finally go home? Oh. I made it home at last.